Hi, good morning friends. I am Dr. Anand Bhardwaj, your Vastu consultant, and you are watching your favorite program, that is Vastu for Vastu consultant, and this program is specifically meant for the people who are interested into Vastu and who have basic knowledge about the Vastu. But so far as the micro Vastu is concerned, micro Vastu is not so easy, which can be exercised by every person on the world. So I am always with you with a new topic. The today's topic is Vastu for different situations. Yes friends, Vastu is not so easy. Whatever is taken by the people in the sense that they can practice Vastu very easily, they can do everything, every change as per Vastu Shastra. It is not that easy because Vastu has to change with the time, with the place and with the motion, with the notion and the requirement of the people and the location of the site. It means Vastu has to be defined in terms of longitude and latitude on the earth. It means if we are going to talk about Vastu principle for a particular country or particular region, even for the particular state in a country, then we will have to take very great care to ascertain all the Vastu principles because of the latitude and longitude, the area, the vibrations, the location, the sun movement, the earth movement, the value of North Pole and South Pole, they all change. It means when a Vastu consultant is going to give any Vastu advice to a client, be an Indian client, be any client from other countries, he should take care of various factors. Means in Hindi we say that देश काल और परिस्थिति के हिसाब से जगह बदल जाती है, जगह की ऊर्जा बदल जाती है, वहाँ के वाइब्रेशंस चेंज हो जाते हैं और इसलिए जो है वो जो वैदिक वास्तु शास्त्र है that cannot be applied universally as a thumb rule in all the countries all over the world. It means we have to take care about the vibrations, about the gravitational force, about the energy, about the environment, about the climate, local weather, and there are so many other factors which are to be decided, which are to be studied before giving any Vastu advice to a client. It means as a consultant, if I go at the site, I will have to take care of all these factors, number one. Number two, I will have to take care of all the factors which are not visible there, which are not written anywhere in the books on the internet. Means I will have to check the parallel vibrations. You are looking 1 meter, a sensor is there in my hand which is able to check all the vibrations which is roaming about around the factory, around the house, around any premises or around the vacant plot, be it a commercial plot, be it a residential plot or any other usage. So after checking the vibration, after looking at the various topographical factors, after looking at the many complicated geographical factors, we can say that this location is having such kind of energy vibration which has been given by the Almighty, by the nature, by the God. And after that, we will have to study the man-made environment which has been distorted and readapted by human being on that area. Means we will have to check the parallel vibrations, we will have to check the cosmic vibrations, as well as we will have to check the telluric vibration which is coming from below the earth. Friends, I am not saying you this thing in order to make all these things complicated, but I am giving you an idea about the complication of the Vastu which is not being taken care by the Vastu consultant all over the world. So if you are Vastu consultant, you should take care of all these vibrations so that your study, your advice should be 100% accurate. 100% accurate means there should be zero error. Zero error work means you are professional and you have got command on your profession. Just keep on looking at my other videos and you shall come to know what all precautions should be taken in particular country. I shall define every vibration, all the energy vibrations for each country, for each location, even for the each state. Till then, thank you very much. Thank you for being with me. Bye.